O ngayon, mga kababayan, dito na tayo sa isa pang topic natin. I-share ko lang po inyo. Dali lang po. Itong experience ng isang doktor, pwede ninyo itong i-share sa inyong ito, dali lang po. Pwede ninyo itong i-share sa inyong mga kaibigan. This was posted by Angeli San Pedro. Taga-Butuan po siya. In fact, itinakbo siya sa Butuan. Side effects of Sinibac. Yan ganyan. Doktor po pala siya. Sabi niya rito, I had my first dose of Sinibac around 1:30 p.m. March 12. I am not hypertensive but borderline diabetic and allergic to one particular seashell, saang. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang saang. Ano po yung saang? A few minutes after I went home, I noticed post-nasal dripping. Yan. Lumabas yung mga biglang naging umagos. Naging ilog yung naging ilog yung ilong, umagos, mga kababayan. Post-nasal dripping but did not mind this since it was for a short time only. I went to sleep after eating a light salad. When I woke up, I noticed a feeling of tightness in my index fingers. Tightness. Parang sinasakal yung kanyang kamay. May pumipigil sa kanyang kamay. I had pitting edema on these fingers. Shortly thereafter, I was itching all over my body. But with no rash. Nangati siya. Matindi. I took Loratadine plus betamethasone, 1 tablet. It is my itchiness but was not completely. Dr. Blake Warren, kasi doktor din siya, ang kaibigan niya mga doktor, pulmonologist. I decided to drive myself to Butuan Doctor's Hospital ER department after I felt heaviness on my chest. Bumigat mga kababayan yung kanya dibdib. In the ER my BP 12/120 2 times, reading a few minutes apart with a normal heart rate. I was talking clearly. Suddenly I had chills. Bigla siyang nanginig. And I started to slur in a difficulty forming words. And I felt that my jaw refused to move. My tongue felt thick and it was a struggle to talk. Hindi na siya. Nanigas na yung panga niya. Pati yung kanyang tawag dito, dila, nanigas na rin po. At hindi na siya makapagsalita ng maayos. Nagamol siya. Gusto niya. Doctors John Ponce, anesthesiologist, John Oclarit, Bing Robles, and Blake Ang, and the resident physician were with me at the ER. After taking 2 anti-hypertensive medication, I began to feel better in 15 to 30 minutes. Imagine, high blood siya. Inatake ng high blood, mga kababayan, yung doktora. What if hindi siya nakapag-drive pa hospital? Nadisgrasya na sana ito. Itchiness was gone and I can talk straight with no slurring, no residual effects. I am currently admitted in the hospital for observation. So right now, baka nakalabas na kasi kailan ito? March 12 pa. Pero mga kababayan, ang sinasabi niya rito, gusto niyang ipaabot ito sa ating mga kababayan. Ito yung nangyari sa kanya. I had Sinibac and 5 hours later I was having an allergic reaction in a stroke. So it was, found na nag-stroke na pala siya. I thank all these doctor friends who were with me during this time and to all my friends and family who prayed for me. My BP is now normal but I need an MRI in the morning. I thank God for His mercies in my life. Choose your Baculaw well and be vigilant of the side effects. Dermatologist, Butuan Doctors Hospital. Pwede niyong i-search ito, mga kababayan. So, sinishare ko po ito sa inyo because these are, real, happenings. Testimony mismo. Real, side effects. Kung hindi po siya, mga kababayan, nakatakbo sa ospital, baka na-disgrasya siya. So, yun ang mga pangyayari, mga kababayan, dito sa ating paligid ng intensyon, save lives daw. Save lives. Iba po ang nangyayari, mga kababayan. Ngayon, to give you an update dito sa Green Pass, ito yung balita. EU sets out pass plan, Biros pass plan to allow free travel by summer. The European Union's executive body proposed Wednesday issuing certificates that would allow EU residents to travel freely across the 27-nation bloc by the summer as long as they have been, yun ang requirement mo, tested negative or recovered from the disease. With summer looming and tourism reliant countries anxiously waiting for return of visitors amid the pandemic, the European Commission foresees the creation of certificates aimed at facilitating travel between EU member nations. The plan is set to be discussed during the summit of EU leaders next week. Bakit ko ito po sinasabi sa inyo? Ang dami nating mga kababayang OFWs diyan sa Europe. I just want to inform you na if you have that agam-agam, may agam-agam kayo, ayaw ninyo pabakulaw kasi nakikita ninyo sa paligid ang mga nangyayari. And yung nasa Astras sinakal nga po, sinuspend yan sa Europe. But si Judas nagsabi na kuwanan niya, diretso lang niya maski may blood clots. I-diretso lang niya ninyo. I-investigahan namin niya. We will investigate. Pero diretso lang niya ninyo kahit may blood clots. Ngayon, kung kayo, siyempre, nakikita ninyo yung mga nagiging biktima, dumarami. Possibly, you will, say, no, ayoko. Kung gano'n na magiging position po ninyo, pag-isipan ninyo mabuti kasi hindi kayo makakaiwas because of the plan. Ito nga po ang plano. You cannot travel and you'll be stranded Diyan po sa lugar ninyo, pag wala kayong bakulaw, ito. Pinag-uusapan nila ng mga leaders ng Europe. Kailangan may pass. So without the pass, you will not be issued a pass. Itong green pass, bakulaw pass, common pass, kung anong pass, basta pass. Passport, pass. Oh, iba-iba yung pangalan nila pero the same ang purpose po niya. Pareho lang po, the same animal, ika nga. Kung wala kang bakulaw, you'll not be issued a pass. So you cannot pass. Bawal ang mag-pass. Kung wala kang pass, di ka makagalaw. Stranded ka sa lugar mo. Diyan ka lang. Uwi na niya ako sa Pilipinas, hindi ka makauwi. Kailangan ang pass. Pinag-uusapan na po nila. The plan is set to be discussed during a summit of European leaders next week. Sabi ko sa inyo, mabilis ang implementation po nila. Mabilis. Pag hindi ka agad kayo nakapag-desisyon, mabilis kayong ma-stranded. So, yun. We all want the tourist season to start. We cannot afford to lose another season, sabi po ni European Commission Vice President Vera Jourova. Tourism and also culture in other sectors that are dependent on tourism terribly suffer. We're taking about tens of millions of jobs. The topic of Bacolor certificates had been under discussion for weeks in the EU. Yun lang ang pinag-uusapan nila lagi. Walang iba. Kahit dito sa atin, yun lang. Lahat ito lang ang pinag-uusapan ko. Sabi ko sa inyo. The travel industry in Southern European countries with tourism-dependent economies like Greece and Spain have pushed for the quick introduction of a program that would help eliminate quarantines and testing requirements for tourists. But several other EU members, including France, argue that it would be premature and discriminatory to introduce such passes since a large majority of EU citizens have not had access to bakulaw so far. Kaya pag halimbawa, re-roll out nila massively, they will require it. Hintay-hintay kayo. Wala na niya ngayong rason na hindi pa sumunod kasi nag-roll out na. Available na lahat yung bakulaw, pagkatapos ayaw mo, problema mo na yun niya. Ayaw mo, sige. Hindi ka makaalis dyan. Ganun po ang future natin. To secure the participation of all member countries, the Commission proposed delivering free digital green certificates, libre, to EU residents who can prove they have been against the BIDCO, but also to those who have tested negative or can prove they recovered from it. Yan po ang mga conditions po nila. Being bakulado will not be a precondition to travel, the European Commission said. All EU citizens have a fundamental right to free movement in the EU, and this applies regardless of whether they are or not. The digital green certificate will make it easier to exercise that right, also through testing and recovery certificates. Kita ninyo, double talk sila. Hindi daw precondition na mag-travel. Pero i-require ka nila na kumuha ng Bacolao certificates. Anong klase? Kasi yan niya, you have your rights. We cannot force you. Anong you cannot force? Pinipwersa ka ninyo. Kita ninyo ang mga statements nila. Bangga-bangga. Di man niya. Di ba niya sinabi namin sa inyo? It is your fundamental right to free movement in the EU. And this applies regardless of whether you are or not. Ang sunod na statement niya, the digital green certificate will make it easier to exercise that right. Play of words, mga kababayan. Sa madaling sabi, ang sinasabi nila mga kababayan, pag wala ka niya nito, this is your right. To exercise your right, kumuha ka nito. Di ba yung yung totoong exercise of rights in free will? You can say no, including your green certificate, digital green certificate. Ayaw ko niya. Pero ang sinasabi nila, it is your right anya to get. Right ba yun? You are not actually given a free will, mga kababayan. Niluloko lang tayo nila. And this policy will be implemented all throughout the world, including in this country. Yun din ang sasabihin ng mga health officials natin dito ng IATF. Gusto mo anya nang makuha mo yung right mo, you exercise your right, you get the digital. Pag hindi niya, you cannot exercise your right. Anong kalokohan yan? Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis said the travel certificates will help boost tourism and economies that rely heavily on it. So ngayon mga kababayan, yan po ang update ko sa inyo para alam ninyo kung ano yung mga pangyayari sa buong mundo.